Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Chris. Welcome to my life. Welcome to my wonderful, magical green screen. Now, before I used to film outside for our teaching online videos. I used to film outside the school or at the playground, but in the school vicinity. But after that, I got bored, and then my very good husband recommended, why not use green screen? It's fun, it's cool. And then at first I said, oh no, I don't want to use green screen. It's too much work. And I don't like editing. I don't really like working with computer. I didn't think I would like using editing software. It's not my cup of tea. And then when I saw his videos, I was like, oh my, that was so cool. And then the next time I see myself filming using green screen. But it's more difficult for us because we don't have enough space. As you can see, this is our master bedroom. Now we're not using this right now for sleeping. My husband, we're sleeping in the guest room. This room, right now we're using it for filming our small studio. And this green screen right here, as you can see, is very amateur. I'm a beginner. I am new to this. And as you can see, we just tape all those edges right there and this part using the, what do you call this?
Curtain rod.
Curtain rod, the curtain rod. And on the floor, we actually just tape them. You see that? And behind this is not a wall. Actually, it's his closet. See? So it's very, very difficult because every time he would get his clothes, he would tear it down or put it down. Oh, it's falling now. It's falling. Oh, here you go. And then, so after filming here, doing my teaching, I would just say, hey everyone, today we are going to learn blah, 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 blah. See, I just keep talking without seeing really anything or visual aids. So it's more like acting. And every time I would, step or jump, every wrinkle that I make, it creates shadow, which is really bad. If you edit it, sometimes it's really hard to get rid of those shadows like this. These are the examples. If it's flat, just flat surface and green flat surface, it's more convenient and easier. But because we don't have budget for that, so right now we are using this. And the camera that we're using, if you watch my teaching videos on a green screen, it gets pixelated because the camera that I'm using is really not high-end, high-resolution type of camera. It's old model, Nikon old model, but for now it will do, right? And as you can see, I am also using a microphone, but this one is really good quality. This is worth $200, Rode brand, and it's very, very sensitive. Even if you speak and then put this kind of far from you, it still catches sound. It really works wonderful. And then also, because I am an amateur, we are both amateurs, me and my husband, the lighting, we don't have enough lights, right? As you can see, we have one right here, and then we have one here, and then we have another one here. And it's not really enough because, as I said, if you edit your videos, the quality and those green fuzzy outlines, sometimes the glittery outline you see, the green glittery, those are because of not enough lights, and also this wrinkle that create more shadows. So we need to buy more lights. Why do I explain this? This is for my 4 subscribers. Actually 3, because one of them is my husband. Hi! And, well, who cares? Nobody, right? So, as you can see here, I was sitting on the horse, right? So you can see the outline of a horse animal. I just got tired and lazy making it really perfect. It's not easy to get rid of that green outline, and also, as you can see, I was sitting on the horse, but really in reality I was sitting on the stool, and that stool is covered with green material like this one. And of course, when you sit, you make the material wrinkly, so that create shadow, and that shadow, as I told you, it's difficult to get rid of. So we're learning. I'm learning a lot. And also in this video, you see my, oh, this is really cool. I like this one. This is my favorite. I can go anywhere I want. I can be in Japan, in Germany, in France, in Italy. This, as you can see, I'm wearing a beanie, and if you look closely, you see the glittery part, the shiny kind of dot glittery part. It's not because of my editing, it's because of the beanie that I'm wearing. It's not solid cotton material. It's made of, what do you call that? Knitted material. So if you are filming on green screen, it's not advisable. The best materials you can use are the ones that are solid, and also of course cotton, the best material. And of course it should be not green or yellow. It should be contrasting the color green. For example, what I'm wearing right now, it's red. With green screen, you could wear the best color, gray, red, black, some pastel color, pastel pink, pastel blue, because I tried those color and they work really good. And what else? Important stuff that you need to know. This, you can see the dinosaur. I was acting like I was running, but really I am not moving. I was just doing this, but I am not really moving place, right? So what I did is I took a moving video, and that's what I use for my background. And then of course my husband helped me out. And you can see this dinosaur right here is a little bit pixelated. For some reason, I don't know, because I cropped the dinosaur and make it a little bit bigger, so that's what happened. It's pixelated, but I think it's still cool. My acting, I don't know if it's great or not, but I really love that scene right there. The dinosaur chasing me. I think that is very cool. And yeah, that's all. I asked myself, why? Why green screen? Well, not only for the students, I think, because I teach young learners. I'm in Bangkok, not in the Philippines. I've been teaching here for 15 years. And well, I decided to use green screen. Why? Because it's very entertaining. It's fun. It's funny also. It's a new acquired knowledge that I like to utilize in my teaching. And I think it's a good skill. Even though at first I thought, no way, I wouldn't like it, I wouldn't enjoy it, it fell. And yeah, Next time, next episode, I will teach you the basic editing and the editor that I use. But do not expect too much from me because I'm new at this. I'm not a pro. If I rate myself, maybe I am 3 out of 10. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm 3 out of 10. But I'm learning. So that's a good thing. And to all my friends, my best friends, like, subscribe, hit the bell button. Shout out to Giselle, to Maisie, to Sheila, to Heidi, to Girly, to my sister Jackie, to Divine, to Joy, my colleagues, to all my college friends back in the Philippines, and to all the teachers, the coolest teachers. Shout out to you guys. Bye! Until next time!